Did you know there are millions of products that people are searching for but can't find because these products literally don't exist yet? For example, this wonderful hammerhead shark hoodie, and this cute phone case with a dash-down print, or this succulent lover bag. Now imagine that you are the only one who's selling these products. No competition, no promotion expenses, no complications. Want to know where you can take such products? We've got your back. Premium Products by Sellvia will make your dream of having your own profitable business come true. Let's see how it works. 1. You choose the type of products and niche you like. 2. We thoroughly analyze search queries on Google and Amazon to find those currently non-existent products that people are looking for. 3. We elaborate their design and add them to your store's catalog and your Amazon seller account. Once someone buys one of those products, you transfer that order to us, and we, in turn, produce and ship it to your client. Don't have a store or an Amazon seller account yet? No worries. We'll build you a website and help you create an Amazon seller account absolutely free. Once it's done, you're up for a flying start on Amazon. And the profit, you ask? It's the difference between the product price at your store and its wholesale price at Sellvia. Simple as that. Don't know what to sell in particular? Don't worry. Your personal manager will help you with everything. Find the right products to sell and answer all your possible questions. So you might be wondering what you're going to do then. You just need to sit back, relax, and watch your business grow. Turn your passion into business today with Sellvia.